Hi, this is Randy with United Plumbing. This is your plumbing tip of the week. Sediment can build up in your tank, causing rust to develop inside, so make sure you flush your water heater once a year.
At United Plumbing, it is always our goal to have 100% customer satisfaction, and that starts with educating our customers. We want our clients to be knowledgeable. That's why we are always happy to answer questions and give advice when needed. If you find you need to hire a professional, our team at United Plumbing is here to serve you. If it's plumbing, we can do it. From fixing a leaky faucet to installing a new water heater, United Plumbing has your back. When you place your trust in us, you will receive the highest level of customer satisfaction through our fair pricing, our industry-leading commitment to education, our high-quality workmanship, and our excellent customer service. So Google United Plumbing today and see how we can serve you.
Treating you and I the way you and I would want to be. So call United Plumbing, UNITED. United Plumbing.